Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Make Elements from Household Materials. Today's element is going to be barium. Barium is found as barium carbonate at pottery supply stores, and molten barium salts can be electrolyzed to produce elemental barium. To begin, 50 grams of barium carbonate was weighed out and added to a large jar. Next, some concentrated hydrochloric acid was slowly added to react with all the barium carbonate. Hydrochloric acid could be purchased as muriatic acid from hardware stores. This pottery-grade barium carbonate seems to contain some insoluble filler material, so once no more bubbling occurred, the solution was filtered. After filtering, it was boiled dry, and 30 grams of barium chloride was obtained. Initially, an equal weight of ammonium chloride was added to this mixture, and it was electrolyzed. However, I was unable to isolate barium from this molten mixture. This is apparently how barium was first isolated. Instead, more barium chloride was prepared and electrolyzed directly. A steel reaction vessel was wrapped in some wire so that the vessel acts as one electrode for the electrolysis, and barium chloride was packed into the vessel. Next, it was placed in a hollowed-out fire brick. The positive wire of a 12-volt DC car battery charger was then added to the steel vessel to act as the anode, and a second steel wire was readied to insert as the cathode once the reaction mixture was molten. The vessel was heated until it was glowing red hot, and then the cathode was inserted into the center of the molten mixture to begin electrolyzing. Barium is somewhat soluble in molten barium chloride, so it took a bit for the barium chloride to be saturated with barium metal, but eventually some barium metal began depositing on the cathode. Barium is lighter than barium chloride, so it floats on the surface. After running the reactor for a bit, the tube was cooled, and the steel wire was pulled out. After breaking off some of the solidified barium chloride, a nice sphere of barium metal was obtained. It was quickly placed in mineral oil to prevent further oxidation. Although some barium was produced, electrolysis does not seem to be a very efficient method. In the future, perhaps the reduction of barium oxide with aluminum will be attempted. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in a future project. Okay, bye.